Here are 3 tips to build muscle. First, be on a calorie surplus. Mag-take ka ng mas mataas na calories sa kailangan ng katawan mo. Dahil pag sobra ang calories o pagkain na pinapasok mo, ang tendency nito ay mag-gain ka ng weight. Being on a calorie surplus and going to the gym ang kailangan para mas mapabilis o ma-maximize mo yung muscle growth. Just add 200 to 300 calories sa maintenance calories mo and naka-calorie surplus ka na. Number 2, progressive overload. Ito yung magiging foundation ng muscle growth. You need to challenge your muscle by increasing yung resistance or yung weight over time para mag-adapt yung muscle mo for it to grow. Ito yung mga kailangan mong gawin para mag-progressive overload. Increase in weight, high-intensity training, training close to failure, and adding more reps. The third and the last tip is rest and recovery. Muscle grow during the recovery phase. Kaya kailangan ng muscle mo ng proper rest to repair and rebuild. Siguraduhin mo rin na meron kang quality sleep dahil most of the time, pagtulog lang tayo nagre-repair yung muscle natin. And mas okay kung meron kang rest days sa routine mo para maiwasan yung overtraining na nagli-lead din sa pagbagal ng progress mo. Remember na kung hindi pa rin maayos yung diet mo, maliit o totally wala ka talagang makikitang progress sa fitness journey mo. So fix your diet, stay hydrated, and make sure to exercise different muscle groups. Follow for more content like this.